trying to get into the Tswyza show? I got you covered. Best tickets in the house? Check it.
Whole lot of nothing. Bragging about it ain't no kind of stunting. But without much, still had you, and that's everything I need to get through. No placebo. And when the bad days repo my ego, it's like coming home sipping something strong with my weed roll. And I don't even smoke, so not having much never really mattered much. We from the same